Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how a solar battery is made, the components that make it work. If you're passionate about renewable energy and want to learn more about how to harness the power of the sun, then you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Solar batteries are an essential component in solar energy systems, allowing us to store the energy we capture from the sun and use it when we need it. But how exactly are these incredible devices made? Let's break it down. The first and most important part of a solar battery is the solar cells, also known as photovoltaic cells. These cells are responsible for converting sunlight into electrical energy. They are usually made from silicon and can be found in various types such as monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Monocrystalline cells are the most efficient but also the most expensive, while polycrystalline cells offer a good balance between efficiency and cost. Thin film cells are less efficient but can be flexible and are typically cheaper to produce. Once we have our solar cells, the next step is to arrange them in a configuration that allows us to achieve the desired voltage and current output. This is typically done by connecting the cells in series or parallel. Series connections increase the voltage, while parallel connections increase the current. These cells are then soldered together using conductive materials like copper wires and encapsulated in a protective layer to shield them from moisture and mechanical damage. Next, we need battery cells to store the electrical energy generated by our solar cells. Common types of battery cells used in solar batteries include lithium-ion, lead-acid, and nickel metal hydride. Lithium-ion batteries are popular due to their high energy density and long lifespan. These battery cells are connected in series or parallel to achieve the required voltage and capacity. To ensure that our battery cells are used safely and efficiently, we install a battery management system or BMS. The BMS monitors the battery cells' performance and health, ensuring that they do not overcharge or discharge too quickly. This helps to extend the lifespan of the battery and maintain its efficiency. Another critical component is the charge controller. This device regulates the voltage and current coming from the solar cells to the battery, preventing overcharging and protecting the battery from damage. The charge controller ensures that the battery is charged at the optimal rate and helps to maximize the energy storage capacity. To use the stored energy, we need an inverter. The inverter converts the stored direct current, DC electricity, into alternating current, AC electricity, which is the standard form of electricity used in homes and businesses. The inverter is connected to the battery pack and then to the electrical system or devices that will use the stored energy. Finally, all these components are enclosed in a sturdy, protective casing. This casing not only protects the internal components from environmental factors and physical damage, but also provides structural support. It is essential to ensure that the casing has adequate ventilation to dissipate heat generated during operation and includes access points for maintenance. And there you have it. That's how a solar battery is made and the key components involved in the process. It's truly fascinating how we can harness the power of the sun and store it for later use, providing a sustainable and renewable source of energy. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, stay powered by the sun and take care.